Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to install Windows Server 2022 on Hyper-V. So first, let's go to Edge browser and type Windows Server 2022 evaluation. Click on the first link and download the 64-bit edition. Let's go to download the server OS. As you can see, I have it already downloaded. So let's go to Hyper-V Manager. With all the default configuration, I'm going to click New Virtual Machines. I do not want to see this page again. Click Next. I'm going to rename this as a ADDS as I'm going to be using it as Active Directory Services. Click Next. Select Generation 2. Click Next. I'm going to give 2 GB of RAM and uncheck Dynamic Memory Utilization for this VM. Click Next. Let's switch to Not Connected and select Next. And let it create a new virtual hard disk, and this is the location where it is going to create, and this is the size of the virtual hard disk. This is an expanding hard disk, so it will only consume the space which you are actually utilizing on the VM. Select Next. Let it be install an operating system later and select Next. Verify all the settings and click. Once the VM is created, right click the VM and click Connect, and here go to Settings. Now go to SCSI controller, click on DVD drive and click Add. Now here click on the image file as we are using the ISO file. Go to the download location and select the server 2022. Click Apply and OK. Now click on Start. Press any key on your keyboard. So once the boot image is loaded, click on Next. Click Install. Let's select Desktop Experience and select Next. Accept the terms. Select Next. Click on Custom Install, and I do not want to make any customization on the drives, so I will leave it as this and select Next. This is going to copy all the files and install the Windows Server 2022. As this is going to take a while, I'm going to speed up the process and we will see once it is completed. As you see, installation is completed and asking us to set the password for this VM. So let's enter the password and verify the same and click Finish. Select the resolution and click. So let's log in for the first time on the VM. As you see, we have successfully installed a Windows Server 2022 on the Hyper-V virtual machine. Thank you for being with me on this video. I hope to see you on the next one.